How to break bad habits easily. Hamza was a smart boy, but he had a problem. Every night he wasted hours on his phone. He always said, "Tomorrow I will stop." But when tomorrow came, he did the same thing again. Because of this, he felt tired in the morning, and his studies also suffered. One day, his grandfather saw him yawning and asked, "Hamza, why do you always look sleepy?" Hamza told the truth. "Grandfather, I want to stop using my phone at night, but I cannot control myself. It has become a bad habit." His grandfather smiled and said, "Come with me." He took Hamza to the garden. There was a small weed near a tree. "Pull this out," he said. Hamza pulled it out easily. Then he showed a bigger weed. Hamza used both hands and pulled it with some effort. Finally, his grandfather pointed to a thick plant with deep roots. Hamza struggled for a long time before removing it. His grandfather then explained, "Habits are like these plants. If you remove them when they are small, it is easy. If you allow them to grow, they become stronger and harder to remove. But remember, even strong habits can be broken, slowly and with patience." Hamza understood the lesson. He did not try to change everything in one day. He started small. First, he turned off the Wi-Fi at 10 p.m. Then he left his phone in another room before sleeping. Slowly, he replaced his phone time with reading a book. At first it was difficult, but each day became easier. After some weeks, his bad habit was gone. He felt fresh in the morning, and his mind was happier. From then on, Hamza remembered his grandfather's words. Habits are built by what you repeat and broken by what you replace. Moral: bad habits are not broken in one step. Start with small changes, stay patient, and replace them with better habits.